Hey, what's up guys, this is Rishi here and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I am super excited to show you an awesome product, and it's one of my favorite too. This is remote controller rock roller car, also known as climbing car. The name of this car is Rock Leader, that comes with a 2.4 GHz radio controller. Here are some of its functions written over the box. It has 4-wheel full function motor that comes with a radio control and has high suspension wheels and 2.4 GHz remote control. This car is ideal for 6+ ages. This mountain car has very powerful motor that runs on any type of places. It goes over fields, palisades, desert places and mountain roads. Guys, if you missed my drone unboxing video, you can check out on the cards that given on top right corner. Let's see what we get on downside of the box. Here are some of the safety precautions given that you need to read carefully before operating this car. The battery description image is given here that I'll explain in the video. Here is the 2.4 GHz gun-shaped remote controller that has a wheel for left and right and trigger for forward and backward. This car is available in multiple color variants. Alright, let's unbox the car and check out inside. These are all the items you get inside the box. Let's take this car first. This car is made up of completely plastic. The build quality is super good. These rubber tires are also fine. The mono suspension's absorbing shocks of this car is so great that helps the car to move on any platforms. You can easily run this car on anywhere like grass, sand, rocks, off-roads, water, mud, etc. Here is the battery compartment where you need to insert the rechargeable battery in it and the power on off indicator. Let's move to the remote controller. Here is the gun shaped remote controller that looks very amazing, and this is battery compartment. Here is the power on off button of the remote controller that comes with 2.4 GHz. The wheel shape is for left and right and trigger button is forward and backward. This is the 700 mAh lithium-ion battery that comes with a 4.8 volts charging support. The cable for charging the batteries is also provided that you need to charge whenever you use. Let me insert batteries in both the car and remote. Watch the video completely that you don't miss my detailed explanation. I will also perform some tests where this car can survive or not. Let's see. That's the end of our video. Hit a like and don't forget to subscribe. Let's meet in another unboxing video.